Welcome back. This is going to be a webinar on the premium package that we have, and this is primarily going to be for people who are dead set on Airbnb investing. And the reason that people who want to do Airbnb investing need the premium package is because it gives you much more data as opposed to just the estimates. And we're going to show that in the tools that we have, and then also in a property page where you can actually see on a map the comparable Airbnbs and what their revenue is. So the first thing here is this is the premium member tool page. This is the one that you guys are going to want to favorite when you do sign up. And or you could just go to resources, and premium member tools is right here. It has all the searches. So if you need to go to short-term rentals, long-term rentals, or multifamilies, and then if you're just interested in a specific state and you don't care about it already being an actual Airbnb. And then down here we have the different tools that we can use. The most important one is going to be the Airbnb comp export. And this will allow you to do an actual underwriting of a property, not just get an estimate. And let me just throw some. So you'll put the state and then a zip code that you want to export the Airbnb comps for. You'll submit that, and then you'll get a Excel sheet. Okay, so for this specific zip code, it is a smaller one, but you see what you get here. You get the nights booked. You also get the average nightly price right here. So and of course the Airbnb link, but the most important thing is going to be doing the formula to calculate the total earnings here. And you'll do that there. So now you have the actual revenue from the properties here. So now it gives you a very easy way to underwrite a property in this specific zip code. You can go through and if it's single family, you can go through and you delete all the ones that are apartments, and then you focus on those. Farther, if you have a pool, you can then jump into the Airbnb links and then find the ones that have pools and only use those for your underwriting process. Okay, so that's one of the most important things, and you can get it here, but you could also get it on the actual property page. So I'm not going to do each of these individual ones. You guys can sign up for a free trial, and that free trial, you guys can go through and do these. But let's say we want to do a short-term rental here. So I'm going to go to my short-term rental page, and these are ones that our algorithm have identified as most likely short-term rentals. We'll jump into this Wisconsin one here. Yeah, it's an Airbnb business, so it is a short-term rental. But what you can do is you'll have these short-term rental stats. You can click this short-term rental stats, and it's going to start loading down here. Sometimes it will just pop up a map automatically. If it does that, just pop into like a long-term rental and then back to the short-term rentals. Okay, because of where it is, it's not showing great results on that one. So let's go here. And then we'll hop into the map. As you can see, a map just popped up. If it does that, just go to a different one and then jump back in, and it'll refresh. But here we'll get a bunch more Airbnbs because they're more popular in this area. So as you can see, the home icon is where this specific home is, and then these are going to be comparable properties. So this one's showing monthly income, nights booked, and nightly price. So as you can see, it gives you a very quick way to look at a property and see if it would actually could be profitable for you. In addition, you can also export the data right here by just clicking export data, and you get that Excel sheet as well. This right here is going to do roughly about 20 properties on this map. You'll get when you export comps, you'll get far more, and that's why using this to maybe get a very quick idea is good, but you're going to want to export the comps to do a full comparison. And then, of course, we have a few more occupancy rates and rental income for this area. So this could also be a quick way to see right here. It's a 2-bedroom listed at $299, and it's showing, you know, even the 90 percentile properties. So the top 10% of properties are, you know, grossing about 2,900. So that'd be just over, you know, 10 to somewhere around 11%, which isn't going to be great if you're trying to make this as a business. Once you take into all fees and cleaning fees, Airbnb fees, insurance, and all that stuff, you know, you're going to want above that. You're going to want closer to at least 15%, unless you're just doing it because you want to have a vacation home in that area, and then you just want to have additional income from Airbnb to just offset maybe the mortgage costs and the insurance costs and any other costs associated with that rental. So that's going to be the basic breakdown. As you can see, when you do the premium, you get far more data to do a full underwriting process. That's why if you are dead set on Airbnbs, you're going to want to get the premium package. If you're just doing it for the, hey, I want a vacation home for me in X area, and then I just want to, you know, Airbnb it out to try to cover costs, then you don't need the premium package. You could settle for the basic package, and you'd be fine. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email us at support@airdeed.com, and we'll answer all your questions about that. So thank you and have a good day.